Not expecting this to be as epic and big as it is. Like, Joe's like, let's go check out this garden. I expected a pond and maybe a few plants, not another plane of existence.
Ready for a bike ride?
Yes.
I have not had my helmet on my head for a very long time.
We're still in lockdown here in Melbourne, but we're allowed to travel a few kilometres from home. And I'd been passing on my way home from work this area near the city that I'd noticed with some interesting gates. An area I'd driven past for years and years, but I've never explored. And this seemed like the best time to suss out something new and local, and we could not believe what we found. Located running along the Yarra River, past the Domain and the Sydney Mire Music Bowl, and to the rear of the Shrine of Remembrance, the Botanic Gardens are a monstrous 38 acres of gardens that are somehow magically tucked away from the world. Meticulously maintained gardens of all kinds, as well as oak and Australian-specific forests, take up space alongside rainforests, cacti and roses. We've not long been able to start gathering for picnics again, and being such a beautiful day, the park was full of visitors. Unfortunately, there were some areas not yet open, including the Tropical Glasshouse and the National Herbarium, which is the oldest scientific institution in Victoria, and it's also where they've stored 30,000 species of plant, algae and fungi specimens for future use. The ornamental lake is one of the main attractions of the gardens, and although you wouldn't know it today, it was originally 4 separate swamps that opened up into the Yarra River, and was home to the short-finned eels, which were a important food source for the local Aboriginal people, the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation.
Have you had a nice day?
It's been really good. I can't believe I didn't know this was here.